I'm Danny Smith, and today we're going in the field with Semper Home Inspections. Today we're going to talk about thermal pane window deficiencies, or double pane windows. One of the main things we typically find wrong with these is that they are fogged, or they have moisture in between the two panes of glass. If you can see here, there's lots of little spots, and that's moisture that has gotten in there and has dried. Sometimes it looks worse, sometimes it looks better, but what happens is these windows are two panes of glass and they have a seal all the way around them, and over the course of time, heating and cooling and moisture, they will leak and moisture will get in between the two. And the main problems with that is that, one, it is no longer insulating like it should, so when you touch this window it feels cold like the outside does, whereas normally it would feel like the inside temperature. So it's not insulating like it should, and then two, it starts to look bad. And what you can do, it's an easy fix, call a window contractor, and if both panes of glass are affected, the top and the bottom, they can replace both, or they can replace each one individually. So the whole window doesn't have to come out, they just take this glass out and replace it with a new sealed double pane window.